Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a Liven app review. Let's begin. Now, if you go to the Play Store, you're going to search up Liven Improving Well-Being, and as you can see there that the download size is relatively small, so it's quite easy to install on your device. So you have to be very mindful of the reviews because if you're going to install apps like these, then it's very important that you read reviews to see what other people are saying. So if you're looking for a tool to boost your mental health and daily habits, this one might be worth checking out. Let's dive right in. So Liven is designed to help you build a healthier mindset and improve your overall well-being. The first thing you notice when you open the app is its clean and calming interface. It's not overly complicated, which is great because apps like these should feel inviting, not overwhelming. One of the standout features of Liven is its personalized well-being plan. When you first sign up, the app asks you a few questions about your goals, whether you want to manage stress, sleep better, or just create more mindful habits. So it says here, what can we help you do? Choose all that apply. So I'm going to say trying to reduce stress and anxiety, get more organized, and stay disciplined. Then you go to select continue. Based on your answers, it suggests activities like guided meditations, journalism prompts, or breathing exercises. It really feels like the app is tailored to you rather than giving a one-size-fits-all solution. So this app tries to be tailor-made to your specific needs by including specific questions to measure how much work needs to be put in to your life through the app so that you can get better at everything that you do. So it says here, how easily distracted are you? You can either put it from 0 to 10. I'm going to say 6. Then you can select continue, quite easy. I expect more of myself than I can deliver. And another great thing about this app is that if you choose a higher or more riskier option, it's going to say aiming high shouldn't be stressful. Stress happens when demands get unrealistic. We can help in balancing feelings to align them with your expectations. And it says here that it's going to show you the differences with Liven. So before, no self-care routine and knowledge. Then after, it's going to give you like a sun, shiny sun. And it says that personalized self-growth program. No longer feel guilty for wasting time and potential, gaining self-reliance, calm, and focused mind. I also love how easy it is to incorporate the activities into your daily routine. Most tasks take just a few minutes, so even if you're busy, you can fit them in without a problem. There's also a streak tracker to keep you motivated, which honestly is super satisfying to look at when you're consistent. Now, on to the pros and cons. First, the positives. I think the app's simplicity is its strength. It doesn't bombard you with ads or unnecessary features. The exercises are short, effective, and practical, especially if you're new to mindfulness or self-care. It also syncs with reminders to gently nudge you if you forget an activity. On the downside, some of the premium features are locked behind a subscription, which might be a deal breaker for some people. While the free version is functional, you might feel limited if you want access to the full range of tools, like advanced meditations or mood tracking features. Also, a few users in the Play Store reviews mentioned occasional bugs, though I didn't encounter any myself. Overall, Liven Improving Well-Being is a solid app for anyone wanting to take small, meaningful steps towards a healthier lifestyle. It's user-friendly, well-organized, and genuinely helpful for building positive habits. If you're okay with sticking to the free version or investing in the premium plan, it's definitely worth trying out. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.